Yo, 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 yo. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm back with another classic text effect inspired by movies from 20s, 30s, 40s, which I'm sure that you have a lot of memories in those decades. Most of you, by the way. Okay, we designed this for you guys that you can use this in your designs. If you want to use this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and have access to a lot of other text effects. Before anything else, let me tell you that you can apply this text effect to any language. For example, here we got a Japanese version here that you can see how beautifully applied to this language. So don't worry about the language. You can use this any language you want. Okay, let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And in this window, double click and type your own text. There it is. I think it's a little bit big. I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna put it on like 650. And I'm gonna decrease the layer spacing, and I think it's good. Close it and select yes. Now let's wait for the result to happen. There it is, beautifully applied to our text in just a couple of minutes. You can see the 3D that how easily applied to this, and you can edit everything in this design. Before anything else, go to effects and disable extrusion and the shadow. So you're going to have more speed in editing the design. Double click on this text layer. You can edit it. Just double click and type whatever you want. For example, Hyperpix Production. Okay. You can resize the font. It's totally up to you. And everything is editable. You can see here. So for example, I'm gonna select this, and yeah, there it is. A double click is all it takes to get a new and modified result. Same thing goes with the text layer down there, and in the background, we got some colors. For example, we got the color down here. We can make it like more black, or we can have this like going to the gray and white. And also, we got another color here. Which is amazing. That you can even have a little bit of color. It's totally up to you. But keep this in mind that some of old movies guys had like some sepia look. But it's totally up to you. And we got a texture in the back that you can change the opacity and get new result. And from adjustment, we had textures, which is very important in this design. You can decrease or increase the opacity. It's not if you're not an expert in Photoshop, I recommend you just skip this one. We don't want to mess this up. Okay, it contains the structures of textures. We got vignette. There's an subtle orange inner shadow around our artwork. You can change its color just like that. And finally, you can control the brightness, and you can modify the contrast from there too. If you decrease the contrast, you're gonna have like this more old movie, and like if you want to have this as close as possible to old movies, you can use like less contrast. Okay, we're done. Now let's turn on shadow and extrusion, and there it is. Our text pops up just like that with enabling the extrusion and shadow folders. It took us hours to design this, but you can just do this in less than a couple of minutes and use this in any personal or commercial design. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and getting access to any text effect on our website. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.